How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can flatten curve in MSI Afterburner. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just open up the settings for your MSI Afterburner. And from here, you want to enable the unlock voltage control, and same thing with the unlock voltage monitoring. Basically, with that, we're able to simply edit out our voltage, undervolting and enabling, or simply accessing the flatten curve on our MSI Afterburner. Now from here, you want to press Ctrl F on your keyboard and the voltage or the frequency curve editor will then show up. So once inside this page, you could just continue to maybe undervolt your device the way you want to. Just make sure that you're undervolting it in a proper way. Basically from here, you could just follow along and make this straight curve that what I'm about to do, or in my case, it's already flattened out as you can see right here, but that's generally how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.